Hey guys, just look at my outfit. Of course, summertime. Hey guys, it's Isaac here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Self-care content always is the powerful content on my YouTube channel. So today's videos, I'm going to show you how to do the self-cut for your armpits. Why we need to shave the armpits hair. So that is for good looking, skincare or any reason. How do you feel when you see someone with so much armpit hair?
No! God, please, no!
What the fuck? Get over here! Nope.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay.
You suck!
Of course, this is lower budget. Alright, let's go. So many armpit hair. So before we start it, of course, we need equipment. These two options is really useful for everyone.
Oh my god!
It's safe, no mistake. No mistake is better than mistake. First option is the electricity razor. It is not hurt for your skin, so no worry to use it. The second option is the hair clipper. Let's go. First, you can spray some water to your underarm to make the hair softer. Electricity razor. Just put your hands up. Yeah, you can see my sexy hair. Just kidding. And shape it. Downward, 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 downward. You can see? Yeah. It looks so clean. You can look at the mirror to do it, or you can look at your underarm, just like that. The after, so much better. This is the before. And right now, I'm going to use the hair clipper to do this way. So many armpit hair. Some men it's alright to shave the armpits like that. We have some men they don't like to shave the armpit like this level. They're just looking for a trim. So that's why you need a hair clipper, 4.5 mm. If you can't trim it when you go downward, let's go upward. You see? I still keep the armpit hair and also it looks so tidy, nice and clean. It takes less than 1 minute. Wow! It takes so fast. When you use the hair clipper, you can still maintain the armpit hair nice and clean. And this way, yeah, it looks nice and clean too. So much different, right? And of course, it is better than the before. Oh my gosh, the before just looked so ugly, so dirty. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Feels so bad. And you know you will have more benefit when you shave the armpit hair. Less smell. And look better. Hey, my name is Isaac. Nice to meet you. Yes.
You suck!
Be my girlfriend. Be my girlfriend. I'm serious.
You suck!
Shake hands. Let's be my girlfriend. Have you ever seen the K-pop idol with the armpit hair? Jungkook with the armpit hair?
Nope.
Lisa with armpit hair?
Nope.
Oh my gosh, this is the key point. By the way, I don't want to shave like every 4 weeks like a haircut. Normally, I like to use the electricity shaver to shave my armpit hair. It looks so much better. Alright, let's hang out and ask somebody. Alright, let's go. Yo, Matthew. Hey Matt.
Yo.
Show me your underarm hair.
OK。
有冇假底毛？
冇。
哇，乾淨咯，nice and clean。
唔中意，唔中意有毛毛。
多謝。
What the hell？
可以問你一個好私隱嘅問題？
咩問題？
你有冇假底毛啊？可唔可以俾我睇下？
冇問題，我使唔使除衫啊？
可以啊。So after you shave it, don't forget to use the moisturizing cream applied to your armpit.
OK。
So embarrassing. What happened to my channel? Hey guys, let's pick our equipment and shave it together. Don't be lazy, be a better me. Come on, let's do it. What are you waiting for? Girls like it. Wish my videos just save your life. If you're thinking about these videos is useful for you, let's forward these videos with your friends. Let my videos just help everyone in the world. Your support is really important. Of course, if you want to send us the huge support to support us to keep going for the useful and the interesting content, just click here. Yes. Thank you for your support. And if you want to support my channel forever, let's join to be the member and you can use the funny stickers watching our membership video. Your support is really important. Just mail it.
喵喵，你有冇假底毛㗎？有冇？你有冇假底毛？
My gosh, Isaac is a crazy guy. Why he knows so many stuff? Oh my gosh, now I'm worried about the FBI they coming to my home and catch me to the jail. I even know the secret with the alien. Oh my gosh, I just living close to the Area 51.
咁 Q 嘅你咁樣。